If you are looking for a great 6-piece bartender set, you're absolutely going to love this. This is all the pieces you get right over here. They come wrapped in plastic wrap, which is absolutely awesome. So first off, we have our shaker right over here. Really, really nice. You can see here, if we go over here, we got our top right over here. Like the fact that this is wood. I haven't really seen like a wood one like this before, but really, really nice. You could just shake your drink and then turn that off and pour it over as well. So super easy. This one, we're gonna put this over. So if you had some drinks, you wanna put this over your glass, and then you're gonna dump this to strain the ice. Here we have our shot measure right over here. So we got a full, and then we got like a little half guy over here, which is nice. I really like this. We got our muddler right over here. And then of course, every bartender needs a spoon. Like the fact that they all go in here, which is really, really nice. It keeps everything super organized, and then it also would look great on a display or a table if you wanted to do that. So if you are looking for a great bar tool kit, definitely check this out, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.